All right, this is the Quest 3, and here are all the different buttons that you need to know. This is the power button on the left side. This is where you would plug in to charge your headset. Underneath, this is the IPD adjustment wheel that changes the distance between the lenses. You want them to match up pretty well with your eyes. And this is the volume button right here. So as you've seen, there's actually quite a number of different colors for the Quest 3, which is really neat because that's not happened before. So if you want to change out those different colors, you kind of just pop it off. You can just pop this off like how you would do for the Quest 2, but on this one, you want to start with the top. So there's two sides, that side, top, and then there's also a couple of tabs in the bottom, but it just pulls right off. Something really neat about the Quest 3 as well is the glasses spacer, or the eye relief, is actually built into the facial interface this time. So there's this, once you pop this off, there's like this buttons on the inside, one and this one. And there's actually like, let's see, there's 4 different notches for the distance from your like eyes to the display. So you can just do it one at a time. Kind of sounds funny, but my nails are too long for this. Oh, here we go. So that's how you pull it off really far. So that's on the farthest notch right there. We'll start this side. So you can see this one's still on the lowest notch. You can just pull all the way to the furthest notch. And now you can fit your glasses in your headset. That's just an easier way to be able to adjust like the distance without having to mess with the wallets in the headset. And then you can just pop it right back on. So this is the Quest 3, and here's how you put it on properly. You can adjust it on the top and also in the back. To loosen it or to tighten it in the back, you hold the top and the bottom and you pull outwards. And to loosen it, you just grab the sides and pull outward. Okay, so when you're gonna put this on, make sure that this isn't too loose, because if it's too loose on the top, it's gonna be a little bit harder to fit the back part. And then this back part, you wanna make sure that it's right at the bottom underneath the bump on your head. So put this on and put sideways. Okay, so I'm gonna grab this back part and kind of like pull it to tighten my head. Okay, so that's nice and tight, and now we just want to make sure that we relieve the pressure that's on top of your nose. This one's actually pretty good already, but what I like to do is to kind of hold it here, pull this, and then pull it a little tighter. And yeah, that's pretty secure. Now, one cool thing about this is that these sides actually pivot as well. So you just want to make sure that that's nice and straight and level, and you're good to go.